Welcome to another guitar lesson with Angel Victor. So today we'll be learning how to play this Highlife groove you were hearing. It's very simple. Yeah, I believe it should be the first Highlife. Not really. Anyone can be the first, but it's that simple because it's just a 2-chord Highlife. So 2-chord progression. So I believe it's something easy for anybody that wants to dive into the genre of Highlife. Okay, so without much talking, let's get into the lesson. We'll be doing this lesson in the key of G sharp rather, or A flat. So penalty, low and blah. So the chords are very simple. The chords are just your 3, your 1, 2, 3, your 3, and your 4. So in the key of G sharp, our 3 is our C. Then our 4 is our C sharp. So our C sharp major 3 is C minor. So what am I playing? I'm just playing the chord. Let's just learn the melody. It starts with this on the 11th fret. Yeah. And the last string. That's the melody. Or some people do, but no. So we are doing, we are doing. So that's what I'm doing. So let's just share it in 3 parts. The first one in 4 parts rather. So that's 1. So 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. Then it goes 6, 1, 3, 2, 6, 1, 3, 2. Then 4, 3, 2. So the second one is 6, 1, 3, 2. So that's it. It goes again. But this one started from 4. So let's play. That's the third one. So we have then the second one. Then the third one. The third one is the same thing, it's half of the first one. They will have that's the last. So we have 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 7. Then I start arpeggiating the chord. That's just it. Then play my 4. You know these are 4, these are 3. So I start playing my 4. So the first one, the second one, the third one, then the fourth one. So the 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 7. So the arpeggio is that I'm playing my second strings, then my 4th strings, then my 3rd string. Then the same thing. Occasionally I add in my 2. The 2. Yeah, they do it a lot in the Highlife, when playing Highlife. So that's it. Yes. So that's another. You could play that when you're going to the 2-3. So third. When you're going to the 3, you can play that. Then for the 4th, you can play. So I'm doing 1, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4. That's it now. Basically, it's very simple if we practice it. So with the hi-hat, with the backing track is this. Alright, thank you. Let's not make the lesson lengthy. If you find this video interesting, please like I said, like and help support the channel. Subscribe, comment, share. That way you're helping the channel grow and giving me more reasons to make this video. Thank you and stay blessed.